Can you just? This is a Xiaomi Mi 10 Snapdragon 865 2K resolution Resident Evil 4. Yes, also this video it is for the gaming comparison altogether for the against the different chipsets. So using the same resolution, it seems that this game is running exactly the same on Snapdragon 855 Plus and on Snapdragon 865 on 2K resolution. So we're gonna move to harder games like Need for Speed and Sengoku Basara just in a minute. Stay with me. And just play a little bit of the Resident Evil 4. Nice, nice. Ah. Can I step again on that thing?
¡Os voy a romper a pedazos!